So as you can see, we've got a massive plate here. I mean, that's huge. There's my arm of the most beautiful flavored rice ever. It really is delicious. And the chicken. Now what we've done is we've boiled the chicken with lots of lovely spices, taken it out. Then we've put the rice into the water of the spices, and we've ended up with this delightful dish. And it is quite easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's get started by looking at some spices and stuff. So I've got 1 onion there sliced. You can chop it, makes no difference. Tablespoon of garlic, teaspoon each of salt and pepper. I've got 1 lime or 1 lemon cut open. And then some whole stuff here. I've got like 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds and some cinnamon. You can see how big that is, like a couple of inches or something like that. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 6 green cardamons, 6 cloves, and maybe 4 dried red chili. And then here's some powders. I've got 2 teaspoons each of these. This is turmeric, this is coriander, and this is black lime or black lemon powder. If you can't get it in the powder form, you might better get it whole. It will look exactly like that, dry and black. What you need to do with it in that case is just prod it a couple of times, get some air holes in it, and we can use it like that. So there are spices, and to get this water happening, I've got chicken, which I've cut in half. I've got 3 pieces today, and we've got some chicken stock. Let's get to the cooker and get this together. It's really delicious. So I've got a large pot here. I've got some oil in there, which is getting nice and hot. I'm using a sunflower oil. We're going to start off by dropping in our whole seeds. So we've got our cinnamon and coriander seeds. We've then got our cumin seeds, our chili, and the cloves. A few seconds in that oil. Let them do their thing in there. Next up, we're going to drop in 1 onion. We're going to drop in 1 tablespoon of garlic. We're going to add the salt and the pepper. We're now going to add the black lime or lemon, cumin, and turmeric. And as you can see, we're on quite a high heat at the moment. Okay, let's get our chicken. So I've got 1 half, 2 half, 3 half chickens. So I've got about 1.5 kg of chicken there, or like just over 3 pounds. We're next going to add chicken stock. We're going to get a lid on that. We're going to put the heat on medium now, and we're going to go for 20 minutes. Okay, just about to put the lid on, but guess what? I forgot to put in the lime or the lemon. So just give it a little squeeze and then drop it in. There's your lid, 20 minutes, leave it alone. Okay, so while that has just started, here I've got 4 cups of rice. I'm using a basmati rice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wash that 2 or 3 times, and then what's going to happen is we're going to take the chicken out and we're going to put the rice in. Okay, so we're 20 minutes in. Let me get some steam out of there for you. What we need to do now, and as you can see, we've got some fantastic chicken there, is we need to get the chicken out, set it to one side. I'll show you what to do with that next. There's a couple of options on that. We've got loads of flavour into that chicken already. Really, we've pumped so much flavour into it. So they're out, keeping the heat on. I've now got my 4 cups of rice that I've washed about 3 times. Just rinsed it through, you know. Let's give that a mix. And then we're going to cook this again for about 20 minutes. And we're going to have some incredibly flavourful rice as well. Lid on, about 20 minutes. So the rice is cooking away. Let's have a little chat about this chicken now. So like I said there was two options. What you can do is you can put that into a roasting tin, get that in the oven for about 20 minutes, full blast, like really maximum heat, get it in there 20 minutes, or you can get it in a pan and you can fry it, for 6 or 7 minutes aside. I'm going to go for the frying version, but yeah, it's up to you, completely up to you. And check out that rice, isn't it fantastic? I mean, beautiful, full of flavor. Now what I'm going to do is going to put the lid back on and just set it aside. Let's do that chicken. So I've got a frying pan here, got some olive oil in there. We're going to grab our chicken, we're going to pop it in. Now this is on an above medium heat. About 5 minutes aside, get a nice bit of colour on it. Like I say, if you wanted, you could just pop that in your oven for 20 minutes or so. In fact, you know what? You could serve it just like this, but I just want to get a little bit of colour on the chicken. Then we'll get it together. Okay, just a nice little bit of colour on it. Let's get moving. That rice is really, really wonderful. So happy with that. That's beautiful. Right, I've got a little bit of cilantro here. Coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that, chopped. I'm going to get that over there. I've then got some fried onions here, dry fried onions. They're lovely in the mix. And that's it done. I'm going to add a few other little bits just to make it look super fancy, but that is delicious. Okay, so I just made it look a little bit more fancy with some cut lime, tomato and cucumber. Now what I'm going to do, just as a final, I've got some pomegranate sauce or molasses here, which I'm just going to put on our chicken. And there you go, you've got a really spicy, beautifully flavored chicken and rice. And that's it. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and do all that lovely stuff. Keep well, keep safe. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.